The SX1 drone is a compact and powerful drone, designed to deliver professional aerial photography with 8K HD resolution, and an advanced 3-axis anti-shake gimbal. Equipped with 5G GPS, optical flow positioning, and EIS, electronic image stabilization, the SX1 ensures smooth, high-quality footage even in challenging conditions. With its mini UAV design, this drone offers real-time image transmission with a 5 km transmission range, making it perfect for drone enthusiasts and aerial photographers alike. This foldable drone comes with a 4.5-inch high-resolution display on the remote control, allowing you to see real-time footage and control the drone effortlessly. With accurate GPS positioning, the SX1 features one-click return, low battery return, and no signal return for safe and reliable flying. The brushless motors provide enhanced power and longer flight times, making it suitable for both casual flying and professional filming. Key features of the SX1 drone: 8K HD camera, capture stunning, high-resolution photos and videos with the 8K camera and 4K wide-angle lens. 3-axis gimbal. The pan-tilt 3-axis gimbal stabilization ensures clear and stable images, even during dynamic flights. 5G GPS with dual antenna, enhanced GPS precision and 5G transmission for real-time image transmission up to 5 km. 30 minutes of flight time, powered by a 7.4V 1500 mAh lithium battery, providing up to 30 minutes of flight per charge. Intelligent flight modes, intelligent tracking, surround flight, and customized route planning via the app for a personalized flying experience. Gesture photography, capture photos and videos with simple hand gestures within 1 to 3 meters. Real-time image transmission, 5 km image transmission distance ensures high-quality, uninterrupted footage. Foldable design, compact and portable, the drone folds for easy storage and transport. Specifications: camera, 8K HD with 4K wide-angle lens. Battery, 7.4V 1500 mAh lithium battery. Flight time, up to 30 minutes. Flight distance, 5 km. Charging time, 120 minutes. Motor, 1503 brushless motor. Remote control battery, 3.7V 1500 mAh rechargeable. Remote control display, for 0.5-inch high-resolution screen. GPS, yes, with 5G dual antenna for accurate positioning. Resolution, 4K photo and video resolution. What's in the box? SX1 drone. Remote control with built-in screen. Battery, pre-installed. 8 spare propeller blades. 5 small USB cables. Screwdriver. 2 user manuals. Card reader. Memory card, 8 GB. The SX1 drone is the ideal choice for anyone looking to take their aerial photography to the next level. With its advanced stabilization, long-range transmission, and foldable design, it's perfect for traveling, filming, and exploring the skies. Capture stunning visuals in 8K and 4K and take advantage of smart flight modes that make it easy to fly and film. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced drone pilot, the SX1 offers all the features you need for an unforgettable flying experience. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews, unboxings, and flying tips.